You're watching Project 380 and this is Back to Basics. And in this video we're removing the rear bumper as well as the lights from organ donor the Mark 2.5. So to get things started on removing this rear bumper, we first need to remove the rear lights. And to do that, we've got to go inside the boot. We're just going to pretend I opened the boot, as I've already removed it. Once in the boot, we need to start removing this carpet back here. And to make that easier, we need to remove this tool tray on the left hand side. And that's held in by one Phillips screw right in the centre. Once that's out, you can carefully remove the tool tray. Removing that will make this carpet easier to come out. This rear boot carpet is held in by 6 pop clips. One there, one there, one there, one here, and one right here. I'm just going to use a panel tool to remove those. These interior boot carpets do tend to be a little bit brittle, as they are carpet backed with plastic, and they're pretty old now, so cautiously remove that carpet. With that out of the way, we can gain access to the back of the light. The big white plug down here, we can disconnect. And then 2 10mm nuts, one there, and one up there. And then we can come to the back of the car, where the light is held on by one Phillips screw right here. Once that screw is out, you can carefully pull that rear light out. There'll be a little bit of resistance here on this plastic locator, which push fits into the chassis. A good tug backwards and that will release. Now just to remove the other light, and these could go into storage. Both lights out now, and they needed to come out in order to remove the bumper, as there is a lip on the bumper right here, which stops the bumper coming out when the light is in the way. And that one screw up here sandwiches the light on top of the bumper. So now they're out the way, it's time to delve into the rear wheel arches. Unless your car is super low, you don't need it up on axle stands. You should be able to do this by laying on the ground. To make this a little bit easier, you may want to remove the wheels. But with it jacked up, you do get a little extra space here. And this part may differ depending whether you have these spat or mud guards, whatever you want to call them. But it's pretty much the same steps. Up in this wheel arch, with the mud guards on, you've got a plastic Phillips popper, an 8mm screw, another 8mm screw, a plastic popper, and another 8mm screw underneath. And then you can remove the mudguard, revealing a last pop clip. And then you can peel back the inner liner, revealing an 8mm bolt right there, which connects the bumper to the chassis. On a standard bumper, which hasn't been cut like this one, you'll have 2 extra plastic pop clips that go into the rear crash bar, here and here. They remove like all the other plastic pop clips. But now with both arches and the other 2 plastic clips down here all removed, it's time to get behind the license plate. This is pretty much the same whether you've got an English one or an import, just different size recesses. So now you've just got to remove the license plate, however that's held on. That's held on well. Well, that was excessive. Behind the license plate is just 2 T30 Torx bits. Now, if it's all done correctly, that should be the last bolts holding the bumper on. But if you're from America, or you have these reflectors lit up, you're going to have to reach in the arch and disconnect those lights. If you've got a good condition bumper and don't want it scratched, I highly advise doing the next bit with 2 people, but it is possible to do it by yourself. On the corner of the bumpers right here is a plastic clip on the bumper and an American football shaped receiver on the chassis. They just pop apart and pop back together. So we want to get our hand in the arch here and pull the bumper away from the chassis. Like so. And then the same the other side, and the bumper should be free. And that is how to remove your rear bumper from your Mark II or 2.5 all by yourself. If you learned anything from this video, pop it down in the comments below. As per usual, like, comment, share and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.